Ensuite, la production, le producteur Sergi Moreno, la productrice Maria Zamora, le producteur Tono Folguera, le producteur Stéphane Schmitz, la coproductrice Kathleen Gussens, le chef opérateur Chris Rangana et Ariana Gott pour le développement et la production.
I'm Clara Roquette and I'm the director of Libertad. We've been waiting a long time to present this film to you, and now that the time has finally arrived, I cannot be here because I'm quarantined, which is heartbreaking for me. I guess COVID really hates me. But the film is there, and that's really all that matters. It is such an honor to be able to premiere at La Semaine de la Critique, and I want to thank everyone at La Semaine for supporting our film throughout this year. I would also like to thank my amazing producers, the entire crew, and the actresses. We wouldn't be here without you. And I want to thank you all for being here, for watching the film. I really hope that it brings you memories of the intensity of the summers of your teenage years. And I really hope that you enjoy it. Thank you so much.